Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again come up with another video, and today's a video about the actuator and the solenoid. Many of my viewers frequently ask about what is the solenoid and the actuator, and today I am going to give the answer of these questions. The first question is that the solenoid and the actuator are the same things? So my answer is this: no. The solenoid and the actuator are the different devices, but sometimes one of them works as a solenoid as well as the actuator. For example, the solenoid installed on the EUI system works as a solenoid as well as an actuator to control the fuel system. EUI means electronic unit injector. First, we have to understand the basic difference between the solenoid and the actuator. Solenoid operated at its rated power. For example, a 24-volt solenoid is fully operated when we apply the 24 volt to it, and when we remove the supply it will become de-energized. Actuator is a device which have the movement up to a limit. For example, as the servo motor move from here up to here, similarly the actuator move like this. It have the minimum and maximum range of the movements. For example, if an actuator have the 10 to 20 volt, when we give it 10 volt, it move up to here. When we give it 15 voltage, it move more further. When we give it 24 volt, then it fully operated. So actuator have the different voltages. It have the maximum and minimum voltages, and how much we want to operate it, we give the voltages according to our requirement. But solenoid have the fixed voltages. If the solenoid have the 12 volt, it only operate at the 12 volt. If the 24 volt solenoid is operated only on the 24 voltages. The second question is that we use actuator only for control the speed. So my answer is that it is not only used for control the speed, it have wide range of function across the various applications. But if we talk about only engine, we used on engine just only control the fuel system. Control fuel system mean to control the speed according to the load. Last question. The last question is that can we use actuator and solenoid at the same time only on one engine? My answer is yes. You have to watch the video clip which I have specially made for this purpose, for understanding how we can use solenoid and actuator at the same time at the one engine. So here you can see this one is a Yanmar engines, and this is a fuel pump, and this one is a CSD, cold start device solenoid, and here you can see this one is my actuator. Okay, so this one is my fuel pump, and on this fuel pump this is used the solenoid. Okay, it's called a cold start device solenoid. Okay, and here is actuator. So both solenoid and actuator are installed on the same engine on the fuel pump. This one is control the speed of the compressor. So this one is actuator, this control the speed, and this is the solenoid which help to start the engine in the cold season. So this is a example of both actuator and solenoid installed are working in the same engine. Hope you got lot of information about the actuator and the solenoid. If you have any doubt or any questions about solenoid and actuator, you have to write down in the comments box. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends, and you must, is my humble request, give a like.